Did I put the local? I did. Okay, so for other people who are wondering what I did and why it pops up like that, usually you hold control and click, it's gonna just, sometimes you could just do it manually and just follow that link back up there. Just compile it. Fingers crossed it brings up what we're looking for. Fingers crossed it brings up the menu. Compiling. All right, so look, I'm gonna pause the video and get back to you people, to you viewers out there when it's done compiling. Okay, now it's done. It's done. And I got like a warning. It's not an error, but a warning, right? So there's a warning telling me that I can't resolve the Pinot pretty in the in where is it in the node module Pinot. Uh, so this border. Can I see it? Okay, so there's something called Pinot. Like, something else to do with the way we designed another design, but like okay, so that's sort of like it depends on the application, like the way I was designing the game. So that doesn't affect the app. All right. So what's the good part is that is it actually showing up? Okay, awesome. It's actually showing up. You could actually change this here so that you don't need to have it say these or by the way. Okay, so we go back, we go back. Why did I just open so many things here? All right, let me just close that up. It's gonna go in my paper effects and just look at how that is looking like. All right, okay, everything looks good. Okay, okay. This is called code reviewing, by the way. But I'm not touching any code, I promise. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm just reviewing, just looking at making sure everything is A-okay. Okay, so what is the next step now? What is the next step? It's time to deploy. It's time to deploy to Vercel. Okay, so let's just do Control C on this part. Then let's go back to the base documentation. Go back to the base documentation and it's time to it says like create manifest. Okay, so create manifest. So it is manifest CLI, but then you just don't go straight to the manifesto. You just don't go straight to the manifest. We need to first deploy. Okay, so what I hope anybody from base watching this, on the documentation, let's just kindly, please, let's just kindly have a Vercel instructions also included on the existing apps because Um, it just goes straight to telling them that they have to do the manifest. But like, so what we're gonna do is, guys, you could go like on the quick start on deploy. Let's just go and deploy, right? So you go new and deploy, then okay, just go deploy. It's time to go deploy. But uh, they know what I mean. They know what I mean. Base up. All right, so install the Vercel here, right? So we're gonna need to like install the Vercel. In order to take it to Vercel, we need like the command line interface for Vercel. So let's just install that. Um, yeah. I'm so tempted. I'm so tempted to type the code. I am freaking tempted to type the code. Please, okay, this just once, just once. I'm sorry, but just once. All right, so just once. We're gonna do this just once. npm install here for sure. All right, so npm install case over so. Okay, okay. What did I just type? It didn't make sense. What did I just type? It was npm. It's supposed to be npm. Npm install. Let's go. What's on my mind? It's on my mind. What am I thinking about you? I'm thinking about you. Right? You well, like, nevertheless, you can still use your chatbot like we actually do. You could actually use your chatbot to actually help you with that. Well, I just love to like put stuff in it. Okay, the next command is this Vercel. All right. Once this is installed, once your Vercel is installed, we're 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I'm just gonna do a breakdown playlist of this video so that people could watch it in different sections. If that's okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna break it down in sections so that each playlist could interlink to whatever issues or challenges that you're facing according to the videos. So it's easier for you to understand and grab the concept. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna pause this video until this Vercel command is completely done installing. So pause the video, then restart it once this is done. All right. So now that it's done, okay, it's installed 26 packages. What now? After the Vercel CLI is installed, we're gonna just need to type a magic abracadabra, and that's just being Vercel, right? That's just being Vercel. We're just gonna type in the word Vercel, and boom, we have an error. Vercel, the term Vercel is not recognized in the name of the blah 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 blah. All right, what did I do? What did I do wrong? Commands not found. Even CLI is installed, and you're telling me the commands not found. I'm gonna do npx Vercel. Okay, yeah. So usually when it's having problems like this, it's just a problem with the path. Problem with the path, or the way you store your text editor, or maybe it's just the administration access, all that stuff. It's just always a problem with the path. So usually npx Vercel is a solution that works for me. Don't know that what works for you, but if you have anything that works for you, please leave it down in the comment section below this video so that every other viewer can see it. Appreciated. Thank you on behalf of every viewer watching this. Just leave that solution under this comment. Under this video, I mean. Set up a deploy. Yeah. Yes, yes, please. Yes, please. We want to deploy. Yes, in my projects. Link to an existing project. No. What's the project name? Yes, this is the project name. Spin to Win app. In which directory do you want your code located? Yeah, in the roots. This is yeah. We want it to be in the roots. Sorry, let me just get this timer out of here. What to modify these settings? No, no, thank you. I'm all right. Do you want any additional project settings? No. Okay. Here we're building. Okay, so we could look at how the production is going by just we could inspect it right here using the inspect part. So just control, then click there, then you have open. When we open, just make sure that you already logged into your Vercel, and it will just take you directly to your Vercel once you just log in your browser. So it's viewed in. Orange means viewed in. Or, when it says green, it means it's ready. And right here, this part here, it's already taken straight to production. But I usually advise you to like to have it in preview before you have it in production, because usually it's scary if you've already sent the link to your friends and or any other user or clients using your mini app, and and it's already in production. So if you launch anything and it breaks and it's already in production, they get to see that. So usually if you're doing anything in testing and you're still developing your app and you're in Vercel, just have it in preview so that it doesn't really affect the main production side of things. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you wanna have like, if you really want to watch more about deploying to Vercel and the manifest, I have a video on that. I have a video on that. You could go watch it on the channel right now, astromartian, and leave a like at the end of the video. and share it to each and everybody that's building and is trying to figure out how to use V0 and deploy. So about successful generating statistic pages. All right, this is super good. Um, what else? What else are you doing? Route app. So okay, right, okay. So first, okay. First Node.js. So I put in my route up. Didn't find something, then went to another side and found something. Okay, okay. Static page deployment, creating view cache. Okay, it's ready. Okay, so our build was successful, and you could actually find it. This is this is this is where the app is. So if you click there, that's our domain. So it's spin to win app.vercel.app. Spin to win. If you know what I mean, just spin there, then you gotta win something. You gotta win something. You understand what I mean? So it's a play to earn. Um, we have it there now. We need to connect the manifest, and let's just go back to the base documentation. So we've deployed it and everything. So one thing you're gonna need to do is create the manifest right here. So how do you create the manifest? You get this command here, just get that, copy it, then put it in the terminal. You go back to terminal, paste it there, paste it. Let me just clear my terminal so that it's easier for you to read and see. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste that manifest command right there and enter. It's going to install the manifest and pop it up on the browser. Then make sure that you have a wallet. Make sure you have a wallet. So the wallet I would advise is MetaMask. Using your MetaMask wallet, you're going to need to import you're going to need to import your Farcaster recovery phrase, then import your Farcaster inside uh, your MetaMask wallet. So your MetaMask wallet is just a custodian wallet. It's just keeping your Farcaster details and having them kept on the MetaMask, if you know what I mean. If you want me to have a video on that, please just leave it in the comment section. I have no problem in making a video about that and explaining it. Don't worry. Okay, so fail to read the .env file. Please ensure that you are in the right project directory. Okay, no. I do understand what's going on in this part here. Okay, so we're missing the .env file. Let's just create it manually. Just say .env. All right, so .env, then we go back here. You copy all this, paste it in your .env. That's a solution if you're facing that problem. Okay, this is me now being like, this is me zoning into my developer mode when I promised that I'm gonna write code. But I'm sorry, I need to solve these issues while we're doing this. Okay, so whenever you have such issue, that's how you do it. Just create a .env file, copy whatever was in the local, put it in the .env so that your manifest can actually see this file. This is what's important to the manifest, your environment file, back in terminal. We're gonna use that command again, okay? So just click up arrow. The up arrow brings back the previous command, up arrow on your keyboard. Let's try it one more time. It has to pop up the browser. Yeah, it did it. So once it popped up the browser, you connect your wallet. You connect your wallet. So what wallet is this? Your MetaMask wallet. And when you connect your MetaMask wallet, make sure just make sure you have your MetaMask ready. Just make sure you have your MetaMask. Download MetaMask. And you're not the sponsors of today's video, by the way. It's a dope custodian wallet. Every Web3 dev and Web3 advocate knows that MetaMask is an amazing custodian wallet. Come on. All right. So then what's important here is that why I told you don't rush to do the manifest first. You first deploy to Vercel because why? You will need that domain. You will need that domain. What that domain is this. You would need this first, okay? So don't rush to the manifest. You would need this, then paste it right there. Then sign, it will pop up on your MetaMask and you just need to confirm. Once you do that, redeploy your project to Vercel and go verify your Farcaster developer account. Once you do that, your app is available now on base, on chain. You can share the links, you can share the URL, and everybody could visit and see your app on the wallet. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's been a pleasure. It's your Martian from outer space, Mars being the planet. I'm a builder, you're a builder, Astro Martian out, and thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.